water lives in your house.
Yeah, like River Road was literally living up to his name.
I'm so glad Hannah and Phil left without it.
Oh God.
What's this sticking up right here? Is that metal?
No, it's a tree branch. Where I'm from. You can tell, what's her name, that they got water in their house. Four-panel door, and it's covering the most of the first panel there on the garage door.
Oh look, Hannah and Phil's is destroyed.
Your fence came down, trees came down.
Glad they left without it.
Where'd they go?
Northport to a friend's house.
No, everybody's got mail.
We got ours before we left the other day. Ality's swing is up in the tree.
Yep.
Is it?
It is
Yeah.
literally tucked into the tree back there.
Oh my God. It is. Hannah's little girl's swing is like.
I didn't even notice. Look at the trees down at Maria's.
Yeah. Maria's house got hit hard too.
And now here comes my stretch.
Oh my God.
Turn around and look, Jess.
Oh my
So I
God.
told you it's gone. Every house in here sustained damages. Except for the ones that are two-story.
Oh my God.
You're okay. I told you, it gets to about the top of your tire, my guy.
His window's open.
Huh?
His window's open.
What is that?
If you go to the left a little, you can center the road up. There you go. All right, now look behind Nate and Lori's. Remember the foliage you saw before?
Yeah, it's gone.
Every bit of it gone.
Oh, there's a
Yeah. You're hitting the lowest point right now.
Their wood fell off their window.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It ripped right off.
Yeah, I pulled the anchors out.
Oh my God.
Fences are all gone. Except for what? The fence your husband put up. I shit you not. When we get to the other side, come here. Look at-
Oh shit, it's gone.
Oh God. Oh no, all my Christmas decorations.
Mine too. All my baby's first ornaments and everything.
Oh no. Oh God, my Christmas decorations are floating.
Okay, his boat's still there.
Their trampoline's fucked up. Ours is gone.
Where is our trampoline? The trampoline's gone. It's gone. Gone.
Yeah.
Oh, our fence is fucked up.
Oh my God. Ours is gone. Well, where the hell did it go?